Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Education's Daily Tech Tips. And in today's video, we're learning how to delete a YouTube video. Now, deleting a YouTube video is very easy, especially when the YouTube video is in your own YouTube channel or YouTube account. But when the video is in someone else's YouTube account or channel, you might have to ask them directly to take it down, or maybe report it to YouTube if you feel like the video is offensive and you want it taken down. But for a video in your own YouTube account, all you need to do is delete it. And I'm here to show you exactly how it's done. So you can do this on either a computer or a smartphone. And for starters, I'll use a computer. So if you have a PC or a Mac, simply launch any browser and then go to youtube.com via the browser. And then make sure you signed in with the same YouTube account on which the video is uploaded or on which the video is. And then when you signed in, click on your avatar in the top right side and select YouTube Studio. On the YouTube Studio page, on the left hand side, click on videos and you'll see a list of all the videos in that YouTube channel or YouTube account. So scroll down and find the video that you want deleted. And once you find it, click on these three dots next to the video that says options. And then you'll find the delete option right there. But before you delete that video, you need to understand that this is a permanent move and you cannot go back and you'll not be able to recover this video later. So one smart thing you can do before you delete is to download the video and have it saved on your computer as an MP4 file somewhere in your hard drive. And when that's out of the way, simply go back to the three dots, the options, and then click on delete. And then check this box to say that you understand that deleting a video from YouTube is permanent and cannot be undone. And this action will also remove the video comments. If you understand that, check on this box and then click on delete video, and that video will be deleted and it's as good as gone. And that's how to delete a video on YouTube on a PC or a Mac. To delete a YouTube video from your smartphone, all you need to do is make sure you have the YouTube app installed on either your iPhone or your Android device, and then launch the app and make sure you signed in with that YouTube account that has that channel which has that video that you want to delete. And when you signed in, simply tap on library at the bottom of the screen and then tap on my videos and then select the video that you want to delete. Then make sure you don't tap on the video, tap on these three dots on the extreme right side of that video, tap on that and then tap on delete, and then confirm that you want to delete that upload by tapping OK, and that video is going to be deleted just like that. And that's how to delete the YouTube videos from your smartphone. So that's basically how to delete YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris and I'll talk to you guys soon.